Welcome back. With me I got Jen, and she's going to cook up a delicious meal here. What do you got going?
Well, today we're going to make a mild coconut curry chicken soup. And it's very, very nourishing for the digestive system, great to reduce inflammation, and it's a really fun soup to make if you want something to serve at a Halloween party that's healthy.
And
So,
Halloween is, you got the carrot, so it's making it orange, right?
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
So your first step is you're going to actually start to saute a half cup of onions, and I've already pre-done that. And so you're going to kind of caramelize those for a couple minutes, and then you're going to put in 2 quarts of chicken stock. And so we have that right here. And then at that point, we're going to go ahead and bring it to a boil, and then we're going to add in 2 cups of cut cauliflower. We're going to start stirring this. And then we're going to add in 2 cups of chopped carrots. And as you can see, we're getting nice color in here. And then we're going to go ahead and add in, we're going to squeeze fresh lime juice in this, which makes it taste really, really good.
I must say, it smells delicious. It really smells delicious.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite
Yeah.
soups. My children love the soup.
Yeah,
It's very, very good.
If you cook this at home, the whole neighborhood will come running, I promise you.
Yeah, it satisfies a lot of your taste buds.
Yeah.
And then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of curry powder. And this is very, very, has many, many health benefits, but in particular it contains turmeric, which greatly helps to reduce inflammation in the body. And then you're going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. So we're going to put this in here. And coconut milk has so many great also healing properties. It's antifungal, antiviral, great for your heart. So then you're going to stir this up.
So this is like a health cure.
Yep,
I mean,
basically it is. It's amazing. I recommend this a lot for clients who have weak digestion. If someone wants something to help reduce inflammation, it's very, very easy to digest it. The curry powder, it really aids in digestion.
Right.
So you're going to bring this to boil.
Okay.
And then in the last 20 minutes, you're going to add your 1 to 2 cups of chicken. And I just chop up chicken breasts. And then you're going to bring this to a boil, and you're going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes or longer. It doesn't take very long to make this soup, which is one reason I really, really love it. It's very easy. And then when you're done, you're going to put a cup of, or however much you want, of the cooked basmati rice. So this is for you.
That's for me. I get to eat.
And the rice is already in here. And then you're going to put the finished soup in here, and you're going to finish it off with some fresh cilantro, which is wonderful. And then some fresh green onions. And then we're going to squeeze some fresh lime juice. And it's voila. You have a
Beautiful.
delicious therapeutic healing soup.
We're talking about a happy home and
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween, and good soup is one of the best ways of doing
Yeah.
it. So thank you very much,
Yeah,
Jen.
you're welcome.
We'll be right back.